Hi, I am Andrea Isabel Aveva. As a student of ABM 11-2B from Luis Palad Integrated High School, today I will teaching you how to make a blog using Wix. First, you need to log in your Wix account. You, after you log in, just click this, the create new site. As you click it, Wix will ask you for the type of site you want to build. So I choose blog. After you choose, just click this choose a template. Then Wix directed to the various template. Then I will choose template a traveler blog. Then I will give you some tips for making a blog. It's better to take your own photos than to download from internet. Then make a catchy title for your blog. Then for your article, you make another title. Then you put your article from your own words. First, you need to put your blog title here. Just click this, then edit text, and put your title. So I put title of like Hula de Tayabas. It's all about hotels in Tayabas. Then you can delete this if you don't have. Then you change your background title. So just click this. Then click this image. Click this image. Then you choose your photos from your gallery. So like this. I put this as my background title. Yeah. Just click the change background like that. After you edit this, just go down a little bit. Then for your article, click this picture, then click this manage post. So while waiting, you need to prepare your article to in the upper right side, there's a create a post. Then click it. Then you can start your article. You can put here your article title. Hidden Hotel in Tayabas. Then you can start your article. Okay. Then you can start writing your article like this. Yeah. Then if you want to add some images, just click this. And you need first to upload all your images you want to put in your article. I'm looking for some pictures here. Then I add this. Then click add page. After that, you can publish it. Then they automatically add to your page. And if you want two more article for your blog, just do what did you do in the first article. Then if you want to add in your blog, just click this and you can add anything you want. You need to preview first your your work that you may see it. Then, if you are satisfied to your work, just click back to editor, then publish. Then the viewers officially see your work public. Thank you for watching my online tutorial for making a blog using Wix, and I hope I will help you and learn something new. Thank you guys.